If you're the type of person to leave harsh comments under people's videos, whether that be giving people advice or saying insults or anything along those lines, or you're the type of person to defend someone doing haram in their comment section. Let's say a sister takes off her hijab, for example, and then you start defending her in the comments saying she's on her own journey. If you do one of these two things, then I have a very important message for you, because this is actually very, very serious. As for those people who leave very hateful comments, whether it be giving advice or saying something with insults in it, did you know that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ himself was advised by Allah, the greatest of mankind, advised by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself in the Qur'an, وَلَوْ كُنْتَ فَضًّا غَلِيظَ الْقَلْبِ لَانفَضُّوا مِنْ حَوْلِكَ. Had you, O Prophet, the best of mankind, been harsh-hearted with the people, they would have run away from you. This is very significant because the Prophet ﷺ is the carrier of truth. Everything he speaks is the truth. If he delivers it in a harsh way, then people would flee from him. They would reject the truth. So if you come along and you start typing a comment which is harsh, whether it be the best advice in the world or not, I don't care. People are going to run away from you and flee from Islam. And you're the one that's going to be held accountable for their fleeing of Islam because you pushed them away with your comments. Imagine, because of your harsh comments, someone reads it and they think, is this what Islam is? And so they decide to stop wearing the hijab or stop praying their prayers. Or if they're a non-Muslim, for example, they stop looking into Islam because they see Muslims attacking Muslims in the comment section. All of that is going to weigh heavy on your shoulders. And that's the last thing that you should want, especially when you stand before Allah on the Day of Judgment. And that's it for the first type of person. The second type of person is the one who leaves supportive comments defending someone doing haram in their videos. Well, I have something very important to tell you too. Your comments are actually a form of speech. Yes, they're a form of speech. So all of the dangers of the tongue, they apply to the dangers of leaving comments underneath people's videos. And so when it comes to people doing haram in their videos, did you know that supporting the haram, defending the haram is also haram too? Meaning, if you decide to open up someone's video and you see someone trying to advise a sister who's taken a hijab off, and you defend her and you say, this sister is on her own journey, leave her alone, you have committed a big haram. Because that sister now might look at your comment and get positive reinforcement for a negative habit that she's doing. And so she might decide to never wear the hijab because you reinforce that. And so because you reinforce that, you will be held accountable for it on the Day of Judgment too. And so to summarize this entire video, how should the Muslim leave comments under other people's videos? Firstly, if you have nothing good to say, remain silent, just as the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said. But if you wish to give some advice, try and reach out to the person privately. If they don't respond or they continue in their wrongdoing, then leave a comment, but always only resort to being kind in your comment section. And if you ever see someone doing haram in a video, stay silent on that and don't support them whatsoever. Because if you support them, this will act as reinforcement for them. This attention will give them fuel to make them continue in what they're doing. Rather, the Muslim stays quiet when there's haram doing and advises, but when he wants to speak, he only speaks goodness, and this will cultivate an environment that rectifies the ummah slowly but surely, inshallah ta'ala. And we'll leave it at that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.